Welcome to Creative Junction UK. Today we are taking you through London's amazing public transport system. We will cover everything you need to know about buses, trains, and the all important Oyster Card. If you are new to London or just curious, this guide will make you travel in the city a breeze. So let's get started. First up, we have the London bus system. London's iconic red buses are not just a tourist attraction, they are a quick, affordable way to get around. There are over 700 bus routes connecting the city, making it easy to reach almost any part of the city, London. To board a bus in London, you will need an Oyster card, a contactless debit or credit card, or a mobile payment method like Apple Pay. London buses does not accept cash, so having an Oyster card is an essential. Now let's talk about the Oyster card itself. An Oyster card is a smart card used for travel on public transport in London. You can use it on buses, the London Underground, trains, trams, and even the riverboats. Similarly, tap your card on yellow reader when you board the bus and you're good to go. This is how we need to tap the Oyster card in the bus while entering. Yeah, that's simple. The fare is automatically deducted, and if you are traveling a lot within one day, there is a daily cap on what you pay. The cap ensures you won't spend more than a set limit no matter how many trips you make. You can check the details of the Oyster card in the website given below in the link. Buses in London run 24/7 on major routes, with many night buses covering the city after the tube shuts down. Check the bus route number and destination on the front display to make sure it's going where you need to go. There is an app called a City Mapper which is available in both App Store and Play Store. In that you can give the destination and you will be provided with the result like how you can get into your proper destination with proper bus stop and proper bus number. So this app made it easy for everyone in London to get through. In the app you will be given the exact result, how much amount it will be take for the travel and also the time taken to get into your destination. So the app made everything easier. These are the views from the bus in the city of London. This is basically the upstairs of the bus. So we are basically taking to one of the bus stations in London. So yeah, just see. And this is one of a bus station called as Liverpool Street with code K. You will get the bus destination in the screen and also the next bus stopping in the screen, which is available in both floors of the buses. You are seeing the bus has stopped in one of the bus stop with the doors open. And yes, this is a button called a stop button. You can see various stop buttons in the buses. If your bus stop is on the next, you need to click on the stop button as shown in the video, so that the bus driver will be knowing that you need to leave in the next station so that bus driver can stop. Here are some sceneries from London buses. Next time when you are at London, take the bus and enjoy.
This is how you get a new Oyster card. Number of cards you wanted, confirm. These are the bills you can insert in here. I'm looking for a monthly pass. This won't work on trains, it's only useful for buses and trams. Select the date you want. And here is where you insert the cash. 50s can't be used. You can also get physical tickets. Click on the destination. I'm going to Heathrow Airport. Select the destination. Number of tickets, single. If you don't have any Oyster card, make sure you have a card which has tap to pay option. It can be a debit card or a credit card. Make sure to tap in and out. This is the tube map. When you're on the platform, you can check the upcoming trains here. Every train has an individual map like this, where it shows from where to where the train moves. Now I'm in Hounslow West. I'm going to Holborn. I should wait for the announcement. Please make sure to use the same card while coming in and going out. You will be not fined, charged extra.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.